Let me tell you what the sound of rum is.
It's just a feel-good vibe.
It moves through you. And the music sound good.
It brings people together.
We just kind of feel it. That's the sound of rum.
Roll it, gal, roll.
Left, right, bumper jumping. Indicator, bumper jumping. Left, right, bumper jumping. Up anybody, my bumper jumping. Left,
When you do
right.
art, you're never meant to really care about other people too much. It's meant to be about you. It's meant to be personal to you. Like, when I do music, I just do me.
When I used to dance, I never cared about competing with the next girl or the guy. I just dominated, and that's what I did for years. I'm just doing what I like. This is seriously something that feels good.
At the end of the day, if you like what you stand for, you have to project that out there, irrespective of if somebody likes it or not. I lead them never think more would that dominated. With the evil where them do one all the plans them orchestrated. Trusting in the Father so it's not so complicated. Read our Psalms every day and never yet, hey!
It's a male-dominated field. That doesn't mean you can't also implement your thing. And Spice, she's breaking boundaries.
Spice is sick. And what I love about her is I feel like she just took herself so serious. And she's like, I'm going for it.
I remember when I went to England, everybody was like, oh, you know, Steph London start doing this female thing too as well. I'm like, yeah, we can team up, we gang up, we'll take over these things.
I ain't future boss where I got his keys. No Floyd bar with the money team. Flow bar fly on the beat. I be getting high today.
When I pick up the mic, I'm definitely representing the ladies. I want the audience to feel like I'm just like them. I want you to know that I'm here for you and I'm here because of you.
My platform is really the empowerment, especially young women. If through my music, I can reach a couple of those girls and make them think whatever your passion is, that you can achieve whatever you want. But you gotta put in the work. It's not gonna happen by accident.
Female empowerment is very important for me. And I believe that if we come together as females, it would be a stronger force to reckon with.
We want to encourage that creativity. We want to encourage girls. The box don't exist. Just find what is yours. And then go out there and give it to the world.